Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deal with the divide by zero formula error. Let's get started. Ever encountered the pesky divide by zero formula error in Excel? Today, we're specifically addressing this issue and learning how to handle it. Now, some might not mind the divide by zero error, but personally, I prefer to clean up any errors flagged by Excel, especially when presenting data on a dashboard or report. In our example, I've got some call center data showcasing the number of calls taken and the number dropped. We've created a simple formula to calculate the percentage of dropped calls out of the total taken. But as you can see, when dragging the formula down without entering any data, Excel shows the divide by zero error. Here's how to avoid this error using the IFERROR function, available from Excel 2007 onwards. The function syntax is straightforward. Equals IFERROR value, value IFERROR. It checks if there's an error in the value. If there's an error, it displays the value of error. Otherwise, it shows the value of the expression. So applying this to our original formula, it would look like this. Equals IFERROR D3 divided by C3, comma, entering 0, close parenthesis, hit enter. This means if there's an error in the division, display 0 instead. And there you have it. By applying this, we replace the divide by zero error with a 0. That's how you prevent the divide by zero error using the IFERROR function in Excel. It's a simple yet effective solution. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.